Let me show you an easy way to fix WhatsApp if it's not working on your iPhone. Whether WhatsApp's not working because of your iPhone or WhatsApp themselves, I'll show you how to identify it and how to fix it. Now, the first thing that we're going to do is close out of the WhatsApp app. The next thing is we're going to head into the Settings app on your iPhone, scroll to the bottom, tap on Apps, and then scroll down to the very bottom to find WhatsApp. There it is. Now, if you're having issues with the microphone or camera or calls not working, if these are toggled off, they won't work, so just toggle them on. In addition to photos, you want to give full access, as well as the contacts full access. Turn on all of these things. If that doesn't work for you, let's head into a web browser here, and we're going to type in is WhatsApp down. From here, go to Down Detector to see if there's a huge spike in reported outages for WhatsApp. If there is a big spike, then you just need to wait until WhatsApp gets back up and running. There's an issue with their servers. Now, if either of these don't help you, the last thing you can do is head back into the Settings app of your iPhone. Let's go back to the very beginning of your settings. Tap on General and then iPhone Storage. From here, all we're going to do is find the WhatsApp app. There it is. We're going to choose to offload this app and reinstall it. This does a couple of things. This force updates it to the latest version, but it also clears the cache and temporary files within the WhatsApp app, a lot of times fixing bugs and glitches.